So today I would like to begin a process of having you do a little research. You get to choose an organism, a plant or an animal, that you would like to learn about up close, learn about its adaptations and how it survives in its given habitat. So on this page today you will see an example of one that I did for an Australian animal called a wombat. We walk through the chunk chew sections today, I'm going to show you where you can do some of your research about an animal or a plant, and actually even how to do that research, identifying the adaptations that organism has for survival in its given environment. The goal is for you to create some sort of production to show what you have learned, and the example I'm showing you is using Book Creator, which I hope that many of you remember how to use from when we used it in science last year. That's a long time ago. If you do not remember that, you may choose to create in any way that you want. Paper, pencil, drawings, an online drawing. You can do Book Creator or any other creator app such as Keynote or Notability if you want to create in there. But in the next section you will see that I've got an I can statement that you should be able to meet that I can statement, and there's a scoring rubric for this activity that I'm asking you to do. So hopefully you'll understand the requests that I have for you and the resources that are available to you. I've got some direct links to things like Wildcrats, Creaturepedia, Ducksters.com, and of course you can always use Epic Books and any other book resource. I put together a little video to show you how to access a Britannica encyclopedia through the SPPS virtual library. It is a wonderful resource for learning about animals and plants through your iPad. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and that you choose an animal or a plant that you really would like to learn more about its adaptations and how it is adapted to survive primarily in that environment. Another aspect of this work today is for you to think about what would happen to an animal or plant if it was moved to a different environment. So in my example video just below here about the wombat, you'll see in, I believe it was the color pink or red, that I wrote my hypothesis or guess as to what would happen to the wombat if it got moved to a different environment. That is an aspect that I'd like you to include in your work. This is not all work that has to be done today. Today, all you really need to do is to choose your organism, plant, or animal that you want to learn about, and then I'd like you to take some time to begin researching about it. Your assignment will be due during our next science class, so you'll have an entire science class of time to go through the resources and find the information that you're looking for. So you've got today to figure out what the assignment is and start choosing an animal or plant and begin the research process. And next time is when you will share what you created. If you have questions, don't forget you can always email me or put them right into Schoology here. I'm checking it all the time. Good luck.